Do you believe that just a tiny pinch of salt can transform your entire life? It might sound unbelievable, but wait, the truth behind this will surprise you. Salt, the familiar seasoning you use every day, actually has an extraordinary history intertwined with mysterious tales and timeless power. From being considered white gold in ancient civilizations to legends claiming it can cleanse negative energy, this humble ingredient holds secrets you would never expect. Imagine this, a simple, unassuming substance capable of changing everything from your luck and health to the harmony within your home. Are you ready to explore? What I'm about to share will open the door to a world you've never known. Starting this journey, you'll understand why just a small corner in your house and a bit of salt can work wonders, not only transforming your living space, but also profoundly impacting your life. Cue dramatic music and visuals of sparkling salt crystals under mystical light, interspersed with ancient imagery like spiritual rituals and world maps. Join me now to uncover the magical power of salt. Let's turn back the hands of time to an era when salt was more than just a seasoning. It was celebrated as a treasure of life. In ancient civilizations, salt was revered as a symbol of purity and protective power. Did you know that Egyptian pharaohs used salt not only to preserve food, but also in sacred rituals as a means to connect with the gods? In Christianity, salt appeared as a sign of divine covenant. In Hinduism, it was used to purify the body and soul in traditional ceremonies. Even the Romans paid wages with salt. The word salary originates from this practice. But salt's story doesn't end with rituals and symbols. Within the pyramids of Egypt, salt was once used to cleanse negative energies, safeguarding the noble spirits. Similarly, in Japan, salt is sprinkled at doorways to ward off evil spirits and maintain balance and harmony. From historical battlefields, where salt determined the survival of armies, to traditional feasts where it was given as a sacred gift, salt has shaped cultures and formed the foundation of existence. So, why does such a seemingly simple substance hold such immense power? Could it be the key to unlocking a more prosperous life for you? Don't look away. The answer awaits in the next part. How salt influences energy. Imagine standing before a majestic waterfall. The air feels alive, fresh, light, and invigorating. That sensation comes from negative ions, those invisible warriors that purify the surrounding energy. Amazingly, salt carries a similar power. From a spiritual perspective, salt is considered a protective shield, absorbing and neutralizing negative energy. In many cultures, it's believed that sprinkling salt in the corners of a home or placing a small dish of salt near the main entrance can help retain positivity while warding off bad energy. But it's not just a matter of belief. Science supports salt's impact on your environment. When salt comes into contact with moisture, it releases negative ions, which neutralize positive ions, the culprits behind stress, fatigue, and even poor sleep quality. This is why you feel more relaxed near the ocean or a waterfall, where negative ions are abundant. Here's a simple method to try. Take a clean glass, add some sea salt, and place it in a corner of the room where the atmosphere feels heavy. You'll be surprised at how the space becomes lighter, as though a refreshing breeze has swept through, carrying away all the tension. With just a familiar ingredient, you can create a positive and vibrant living space. Try it now and feel the difference. It's a secret you won't want to miss. Now, let's put it into practice and experience the magical transformation salt can bring to your living space. Here's how you can cleanse the energy in your home with just a few simple steps. 1. Preparation. Take a clean glass or transparent bowl. Clear ones work best so you can easily observe any changes. Fill it halfway with natural sea salt. Sea salt is preferred for its purity and powerful energy. 2. Placement. Choose a corner of the room where the atmosphere feels heavy or lifeless. Ideal spots include room corners, under the bed, or near the main door. 3. Activation. To boost its effectiveness, add a few drops of water to the salt to activate the release of negative ions. If you like, pair this with a positive intention such as wish for peace or prosperity. 4. Duration. Leave the glass of salt in place for at least 24 hours. During this time, the salt will work to absorb negative energy from the environment. 5. Observation. After a day, check the salt. If you notice discoloration or crystal-like streaks forming, it means the salt has absorbed negative energy. Don't worry, simply dispose of the salt and replace it with a fresh batch if needed. Try this today, and you'll be amazed at how your living space feels lighter, brighter, and more vibrant. This is the simplest way to bring peace and positivity to your home. No time wasted, no big effort required. Let's take a moment to reflect on the journey we've just shared. From the pages of ancient civilizations to practical applications in modern life, salt is far more than a simple kitchen ingredient. It has been, and will always be, a source of spiritual power, a tool for energy cleansing, and a symbol of protection. The methods you've learned not only help lighten your space, but also create a subtle shift in your mindset and emotions. And the best part, with just one simple step, you can begin transforming your life. But this is just the beginning. There are countless mysteries surrounding the natural ingredients you use every day. Salt is only one of them. Have you ever wondered what could happen if you knew how to unlock the hidden power of these ingredients? If you found today's insights helpful, don't forget to like this video to spread positive energy, share it with friends and family who could use a little refresh in their living space. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss upcoming videos. Are you ready to uncover the next magical power? In our next video, we'll reveal another everyday ingredient that may already be influencing your energy without you even realizing it. Let's count down to more surprises ahead. And remember, every great transformation begins with the smallest of steps. See you in the next video.